Today we're making baked fish cakes with a southern comeback sauce. To a bowl, add some mayonnaise, a lightly beaten egg, some Dijon mustard, a little lemon juice, some Old Bay seasoning, or your favorite seasoning, a little hot sauce, salt, and Worcestershire. Stir that together and then gently fold in some chopped whitefish, some lump crab, some parsley, and some scallions. And now make them into little balls and put them in the refrigerator to chill for about 30 minutes or so. Dredge them in some coating or just leave them and put them in the oven 400 for 12 to 15 minutes. While that's cooking, make the comeback sauce, a little mayonnaise, some chili sauce, ketchup, lemon juice, a little salt, smoked paprika, garlic, hot sauce, and dry mustard. And there you go.